In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your own FiveM server. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So, instead of joining random public servers in FiveM, you can actually create your own private server and invite your friends to play together. Alright, first thing, head over to this website. I'll leave the link down in the description. Here, just download the latest version listed at the top. It might look a little different for you, but no worries, just grab the top one and the download should begin. Once you've got the zip file, open it up and extract it somewhere. I'm going to make a new folder here and extract everything into that. Now go inside the folder, look for the file named server.cfg and open it. A CMD window will pop up and it'll automatically open your browser as well. Usually the pin will already be filled in, but if it's not, you can find the pin back in the CMD window. Click Link Account, then hit Continue and log into your CFX account. After that, you can give your server a name and click Next. For deployment. Type Select Popular Recipes, hit Next, then choose Default FiveM and press Next again. You don't need to change anything on the next screen, just go ahead and hit Next one more time. Now, click on Go to Recipe Deployer. Here, press Next, and you'll be asked to enter a license key, also called a registration key. If you don't have one, no worries. Just click the link to the cfx.re Keymaster portal. Once you're there, read the terms, click Agree, and then hit Generate Key. For the display name, you can type anything. It's up to you. Click Generate and you'll get your license key. Click the little copy icon, then head back to the recipe deployer and paste the key in. Now click Run Recipe. This will load everything up and build your server configuration. After that, hit Next, and you'll see your full server config. Here, you can change your server name, description, or whatever you want. For now, I'll just leave it as it is and click Save and Run Server. Now launch FiveM, and if everything went smoothly, you should see a Connect Through LAN button right under the Play button. You can either click that or press F8, type Connect Localhost, and hit Enter. FiveM will start downloading all the needed files, and then you'll spawn into your server. Now, go ahead and close the game. When you reopen FiveM, your server will show up under the Last Connected Servers tab, and to invite your friends, you can just copy the invite link shown right there.